Welcome sa The Matter Sheet.
Hi, Robbie.
Tell me something. The rain falls on my face. How do you make me replace it with the golden summer smile? Tell me something. I'm feeling tired and afraid. Do you know just what to say to make everything alright? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one that's precious. I hate to break into you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank the stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. Tell me something when I'm about to lose control. How do you patiently hold my hand, gently calm me down? Tell me something when you sing and when you laugh. And do I always photograph my heart going way above the clouds? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one that's precious. I hate to break into you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank the stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. on a rainy day. I must run down, sweating as I keep on wiping my face in this cold that's of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am. 'Cause this angel is blown away from me. Now I had a strength to set her free. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel is blown away from me. Thought I had a strength to set her free. Did what I did because I loved her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Oh. I'm so tired, feel like catching golden wings, lying up all night in December that puts me in a trance. I hope the sand breeze gone. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from these dreams and things. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. 'Cause heaven knows how bitter I am. 'Cause this angel is blown away from me. Now I had a strength to set her free. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel is blown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I loved her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Ah, oh. Umuwi ka na baby, hindi na ako sanay nang wala ka. Mahirapang mag-isa, at sa gabi na napanap kita. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli sa buhay kong puno ng panghirap. At tanging ikaw lang ang umapagoy sa mga luha, naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi. Di mapigilang mag-isip na makasatagal, mahulog ang loob ko sa iba. Nakakabalisa, nakunot, wag naman sana. Umuwi ka na baby, hindi na ako sanay nang wala ka. Mahirapang mag-isa, at sa gabi na napanap kita. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli sa buhay kong puno ng panghirap. At tanging ikaw lang ang umagbawi sa mga luha, naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi. Umuwi ka na baby, umuwi ka na baby, umuwi ka na baby. Umuwi ka na baby, umuwi ka na baby, umuwi ka na baby. races, different voices, different choices. Some are mad, while others laugh. Some live alone with no better half. Others fear, while others curse. And others mourn behind a big black purse. Some are pure, some have friend. Some are sober and some are wasted. Some are rich because of faith. Some poor with no food on their plate. Some stand up and others bend. Some are fat and stuck while some are thin. Some are friends, some are foes. Some are both. Yeah. Every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide in a soul. Take a look in the kaleidoscope spinning round, make it grow. In this kaleidoscope world, yeah. Some are great, some are few. Others lie, some tell the truth. Some say poems, some sing. Others sing through their guitar strings. Some know it all, some are dumb. Bass hands drum into the bam of the drum. Some will swim, some will sing. Some will find minds and think. Others won't, while others won't. You can't talk peace and have a gun. Some are hurt, they start to cry. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why. Some are friends, so some are foes. Some have some and some have both. Yeah. Every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide and a soul. Take a look in the kaleidoscope spinning around, make it twirl. And this kaleidoscope world, Nais kong magkalasing dahil nakatingin sa salamin, nag-iisa, nakakanin pa rin. Umamelang pinalit sa akin ang tayo maiwala. Ito'y katulad ng damdamin ko kahit usal mo ng hirap yung pangmamatay. Huwag sanang lipo ang mga araw na di sana lahat. Mga anak at bahay nating pinaglan, lahat ng ito'y nawala nung iniwan mo. Kaya welcome sa ating mga parokyano ng The Backyard Scene. Hello, hey. May request ba? Sino kakanta? Siya? O baka may birthday. O, birthday ba? Birthday. Ano pangalan ni ate? Ha? Joyce? Joyce ba? Joyce? Happy birthday, Joyce, ha? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Joyce. Anyways, ayan, kung meron kayong mga request or what's this? Gusto kumanta, gusto nyo kumanta, yan. Feel free to approach me and magkantahan tayo dito, ano? Yan. And again, thank you for choosing the Backyard Street. First time niyo po ba dito, mga sir at saka mga ma'am? First time niyo? Hindi. Kailan? Second time po, salamat sa pagbalik. Ito ating grupo na nagsasangyo. Sina Joyce. First time? First time, yan. Balik-balik lang kayo dito. Try nyo, madami pa. May coffee nga pala kami doon sa right side ko. Meron tayong coffee. It's ETC, no? Yan. And I do hope na ma-promote nyo palalo yan, especially yung ating Sanggipsal, no? Promote natin sa ating mga friends. Itag nyo lang yung page nila. DJ, ano yung page nyo? Anong name ng page nyo? Soul District. Yan, guys. Soul District. Na lang, hashtag Soul District or i-add sign nyo, @ Soul District. Yan. So, marami tayo dito pwedeng subukan na stall. Yan, like I said a while ago, meron tayong ETC for our refreshments, meron tayong coffee, meron tayong non-coffee, ano pa ba? Yan. Nandito rin yung ating Jillian's Food Hub. Yan. Ito, Mons. So marami tayong food variants dito. Meron tayo dito mga... Ang paborito ko dito sa Mons is yung yung kanila calamares. Yan. Yung giant pusit. Something like that. Yan. Tsaka dito naman sa kabila, yung paborito ko dyan yung kanila... Pansisig. Ano man tawag doon? Dinakdakan. At syempre, try nyo rin yung siomay na available dito sa Soul District. Ang laki ng siomay nila dyan. At saka yung kanilang mga siopaw, no? So yan yan. Thank you sa ating mga guests na nandito. Yan, order lang. And chill lang tayo, magkantahan tayo. Cause I'm already know what would you do if my heart was going to more than words to show you feel that the for me is real. What would you saying I love you. Da-da-da, 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 more than words. Da-da-da-da-da. Now that I try to talk to you and make you understand, all you have to do is close your eyes and just reach out your hand and trust me. Hold me close, don't ever let you go. More than words is all I ever needed you to show. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I already know. Would you too, if my heart was torn in two? More than words to show you feel that your love for me is real. What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da, more than words. Da-da-da, da-da-da. More than words. Okay, so I'll be pausing for a little break lang muna. And I'll be back for a few more songs. Salamat po. And welcome sa ating mga guests. Hello po. Thank you, Kuya Simon.